Hey, let me show you the best camera tricks for Redmi 14C. And first of all, we are gonna start from my favorite function. It will be 50 megapixel mode. So as default, when I want to capture the photo, for example, like this one, that's how it looks. But if I'm gonna actually turn on the 50 megapixel mode and just simply take the same photo, I will get definitely more details. And take a look. This is the photo preview, and now we are gonna zoom in. And as you can see right now, we've got HD preview. So what does it mean? That we can find here more details and we can even zoom in much closer. If I'm gonna open this first photo, that looks like that. As you can see, we cannot zoom in that much and there's like less details. Next, when you are taking the photos, and as you can see in my case, there's like not enough brightness, so we can just click on the screen and move this sun icon up and down to increase or decrease brightness. You can also do this automatically by clicking right here. But in my case, I'm gonna actually increase like that. Maybe too much, maybe I'm gonna decrease. Okay. Now, we can also smoothly zoom in or zoom out by clicking holding on the zoom feature, and now with this slider, that's how it looks. And we can find here 10x zoom. Next, when you click right here in the photo mode, we can add the different filters that actually change the color and the temperature on our photos. And as you can see, we can find few different modes. Now, when you click right here, we can actually find a lot of options. Like for example, we can add the grid lines. So we'll be able to make better composition on the photos. But also we can find here, the shutter type. So we can take photos with our voice by saying cheese. Let's try one more time. Cheese. There we go. The photo was taken. And another one, the touch shutter. When I'm gonna click on the screen, the photo will be taken after a few seconds. But there's also another really useful function, timed burst. So what it does, basically when you turn it on, you can take the number of the photos that you want, like for example 330, and every photo will be taken, like for example, every 2 seconds. Now you can just click on the shutter and your smartphone is going to take 330 photos, each one after 2 seconds. So especially useful for the group photos. When you go right here, I'm gonna actually turn it off, this one and this touch shutter also. When you go into the camera settings, we can find also other options, like we can, for example, scan the QR codes automatically, but also we can find here the volume button function. So we can use volume buttons as a shutter remote, as a shutter delay, normal shutter, or for example, as a zoom feature. But also we can take photos when the screen is turned off, especially when we are taking, the time-lapse videos. So you will actually save the battery, and you can also save all of these videos and photos straight to your SD card. Now, when I'm gonna click and hold on the volume up button, I can smoothly zoom in, or for example, smoothly zoom out thanks to this volume buttons adjustment. When you click right here on the right bottom corner, on the right upper corner, we can turn on and off HDR. And also in this phone, we can find the Google Lens. So this is like great extension. When you open it and accept all these permissions, now if you are searching for something, like for example for these headphones, I can just click on them and select search. Now tap on the shutter, and as you can see, I can actually check what it is. So basically here we can find the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.